Hey everyone, want to master Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Edge is much more than just a web browser. It includes powerful tools for productivity, organization, security, AI assistance, and customization. In this full guide, I'll show you everything you need to know to master Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign in with your Microsoft account and configure the basic settings. Enabling sync allows your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, extensions, and settings to stay updated across all your devices. Next, get familiar with Microsoft Edge's core features. Learn how to use favorites, collections, vertical tabs, split screen, workspaces, read aloud, the built-in translator, and Microsoft Copilot to improve your browsing experience. Now personalize Microsoft Edge to match your workflow. You can change themes, enable dark mode, customize the toolbar, adjust privacy settings, configure the startup page, and organize your tabs for a cleaner browsing experience. Take advantage of Edge's productivity tools. Use collections to organize research, split screen to compare web pages, workspaces to collaborate with others, and Copilot to summarize information and answer questions while you browse. To keep Microsoft Edge running smoothly, regularly clear cached files, remove unused extensions, enable sleeping tabs and efficiency mode, and review your privacy and security settings. Microsoft Defender Smart Screen also helps protect you from phishing websites and malicious downloads. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore Edge's advanced capabilities. You can use AI-powered browsing tools, built-in PDF editing, web capture, password management, profiles, developer tools, and many helpful browser extensions. For the best experience, keep Microsoft Edge updated, organize your bookmarks and collections regularly, install only trusted extensions, use strong passwords with Password Manager, and explore new features as Microsoft continues to update the browser. Mastering these tools can make Microsoft Edge one of the most powerful browsers for work, study, and everyday browsing. And that's how to master Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're browsing the web, studying, working, creating content, or managing multiple projects, Microsoft Edge offers powerful tools to help you work faster, stay organized, and browse more securely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.